Hello, fellow prop makers. This is Chris, and today I want to do something a little different. But first, I'd like to apologize. I know I'm behind on videos, but I promise I have a pretty good excuse. First of which being is I have a day job. And second, and a little more importantly, is I took a look at the first few videos I did, and frankly, I wasn't very excited. I just used a cheapo camera and kind of filmed it off the cuff, and it really shows. If you compare that content to the amazing stuff coming out of the likes of Punish Props Academy or Maker's Muse, you can see a huge difference. So I went back to the drawing board and asked myself what it would take to do it right. The first being gear, and a lot of it. Cameras, lenses, B-cams for machines, tripods, rigging, microphones, lights, even more lights. I got most of this stuff from Craigslist, and I think altogether I probably spent less on this than one modern basic cinema camera. The third being, and I have to admit to being a bit of a ham here, is a logo and an intro. I figured since this was a prop channel, I would get practical, so I modeled something that would work as both a physical object and a logo. And here it is. I ran LED lights through the inside so it'd light up, add an Arduino in the bottom. I just used the the fast LED library and one of the demos in there, and plug it in. Voila. The next thing I did is filmed it with all this fancy 10-year-old gear, sped it up 300%, added a little color correction, added a background and a render in After Effects, and of course the obligatory lens flare. And I think altogether that works pretty good. I should have a lot more content coming shortly, starting with the Aliens Pulse Rifle Blaster build and the Cowboy Action Rubber Band Gun. If you have any favorite props you'd like me to model, or any feedback on what you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments. For now, I hope you all have a fantastic day, and if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider giving it a like and subscribing. Oh, I forgot about this. A like and a subscribe. Models available on my Thingiverse page, by the way. Foot pedal controlled. Woohoo!